Let's dive into this 3-week blueprint. We're turning that raw entrepreneurial spark into a professional reality.
But wait, how do you compress a total business transformation into just one summer for a middle schooler?
The formula is simple. 3 weeks plus 9 live lessons equals one tangible, launch-ready business plan.
It follows a distinct 3-phase roadmap, guiding students from an initial concept straight to a high-velocity launch.
Think of this curriculum as a high-intensity incubator. It's definitely not just your standard summer course.
Week 1 is all about the foundation. Students lock in their business type and draft their brand identity.
They'll master job-ready skills right away. This means crafting professional mission statements that communicate actual, real-world value.
By week 2, we build the operational engine. Think precise product descriptions and rigorous cost analysis.
They actually acquire practical financial literacy, executing real functional budgets and forecasting major operational needs.
Then, week 3 is the launch pad. The focus shifts entirely to rigorous market research and developing sales materials.
Students get super hands-on with Canva, designing professional-grade flyers to support their final go-to-market strategies.
The ultimate payoff? The Builder's Portfolio. Students literally leave with fully interactive catalogs, budgets, and marketing plans.
The crazy part? Generating this massive volume of professional business assets takes exactly 21 days.
Logistically, you've got 4 flexible summer cohorts led by expert instructors, Deborah Fatigato and Shannon McInerney.
Initial enrollment is officially open right now, but these high-demand, first-come, first-served incubator seats will fill up fast.
So are you ready to launch? Secure your spot and take that definitive step toward business ownership today.